Since we are here, let's go ahead and remove the rear brake shoes. There are 2 circlips on this one. This is the same on all Series 1 through 3 Lambrettas. GPs have a little bit different of a setup, but not much. And then you have the tension plate. And there's also this spacer that sits below the tension plate that it rests against. And from there, we can actually just remove the brake shoes. And if they're not moving easily, don't put a lot of pressure on them because you don't want to mar the case up or anything like that. And you just do a little bit at a time and kind of work your way around. You can just pull those out and set those aside. And as I said before, we are doing a complete engine strip. And when you're doing a complete engine strip, you have to remove anything that could get damaged during the cleaning process. I use a stainless steel shot blast cleaning service that I get done locally. And anything with metal or anything like that, I try to get that stuff out. If you're gonna do vapor blasting, it's the same thing. You need to get rid of anything that's steel, as it'll rust. And now we're gonna remove the rear brake cam. So we need to get out our circlip pliers. And then there's a washer. And then you have the actual cam. And you can't see that as it's gone, but there's a rubber washer or O-ring that goes right here. And then you can just withdraw that. And there's a little shim that goes underneath it inside the case. And if you want to remember the order, you can just go ahead and put it back together like that. We got the other shim and then the circlip. And you can store it like that.